Good day, McVeigh, and happy Friday. Good morning, boys and girls. Okay, so I'm going to start with some math. All right, so this is multiplication by Brandon Larson. So I love this. So Brandon made a multiplication sign and then filled it with multiplication equations. So an equation has the equal sign. An expression does not. So when I do this, that's an expression for being happy. So an expression is a symbol. So if I say 2 plus 2, that's the same as saying 4. So 2 plus 2, I have 4. It's the same as saying 4. It's an expression. Another expression for 4 could be 3 plus 1. An equation has the equal signs. So this was one of the things third graders were working on yesterday. See, and Brandon wrote equations because he has the equal sign. Then we have some math by Gemma, who is also working on multiplication, only Gemma is in second grade, and we have some cool illustrations to go with it. Speaking of illustrations, I'd like to share some Getting Smart Through Art. We have Anthony with a sea turtle and Shannon with some abstract art, which is beautiful. And we have Anastasia reminding us to be kind to the earth. And speaking of the earth, we have a quick project on deforestation from Niall in third grade. So deforestation is when trees are cut down either for use or for use of the land that the trees live on. Cutting down the trees. Trees are very important to our earth and to the air we breathe. So, some fun facts. Trees cover 30% of the earth. And forests are the homes of about 70% of the world's plants and animals. When we cut down all those trees, animals don't have the same homes, and we have less and less clean air because those trees help give us the clean air that we breathe. We have little drawings go along with that. And then Shiloh drew this for us. Check this out. I mean, Shiloh, this is exceptional. We have the sun, the moon, and the earth. All right. Now, moving on to our mystery number and Wordle. And speaking of the earth, that's why I saved that project for today. Our Wordle was consumer. A consumer is one that consumes. So consumer. Now, consumers use up. So, or in a variety of ways. So, if I consume food, I use it all by eating it. If I am a consumer at the store, I use up what's there by buying it. We use it up. We have to be careful about the things that we consume so that we are being friendly to the earth. Consumer can be used in a lesson on health, consuming food. It can be used in a lesson on science when we talk about consumers, the ones that eat things, and the ones that produce. So the plant is a producer. The consumer is the one that eats the plants, right? So deforestation is consuming for some reason. We're using it up for some reason, either to get the land or to get the trees. And that word goes back a long way. My mystery number was 1200. It's from the 1200s. Yep, 1200s. That's how far back that word goes, because it's very important that we learn about consumers and producers. and make sure that we're not consuming more than we produce. Very important. And now it's time for our Mighty Kind Moment of the Day. Let's get our drum roll. Dun, dun, dun. So I have 2 to share with you today. I have Be Kind and Never Give Up. This is by Bella and Elena. And on the back of Brandon's, Be Kind. Yes, talk about that every single day. Why? Because just like taking care of the earth, being kind is one of the most important things that we're ever going to have to do. And everybody can. Why? Because you're a mighty mind. Not only that, mighty kind, mighty minds. And every day, boys and girls, is a great day to get smart and be kind to both each other and the earth. Let's have a wonderful day.